Clubhouse is a disorder. Okay, is the internet, is the phone a disorder? It's a medium, guys. It's a platform. Does anybody actually like Clubhouse? This article is hilarious. The title is ridiculous. Let's talk about it for a second. I don't know. There's millions of people on here now spending time at all hours of the day and night. I see very successful people doing 10-hour benders on topics of all walks in life. So I would say actually, yeah, probably, but it's funny because this writer talks about how he's trying to like it, which makes me think he's probably not spending enough time in the right places with the right people. Like saying, do you like Clubhouse is like saying, do you like the telephone? Do you like the internet? Do you like sitting down to dinner with people and having a good conversation? This is what you make it. Do you like going to conventions? Well, it depends if there's boring people there talking about boring things, or if you're learning about something that you like with people who you find very interesting. I think you could have a really, really fun time. It's funny because I describe Clubhouse, because I work in commercial real estate predominantly, as a super convention that I can attend and meet way, way more people in a much shorter amount of time without jumping on a plane, without getting suited up, in the comfort of my home, in my pajamas, in the middle of the night, in my loft or in my pantry. Do awesome rooms with awesome people and you'll have an awesome time, bro. What you might want to do, dear writer here, is be a little bit more strategic about the rooms that you're going into and the topics that you're jumping into, and help to curate the conversation. If you're sitting around a dinner table with 6 people, and you're one of those people, you're a big part of the conversation. Are you asking good questions? Are you dropping in good commentary? Or are you going into huge rooms with people that you have no relationships that are dropping a bunch of spam like he's talking about here? I find it unlikable. Well, I find a lot of people unlikable, so I don't hang around those people. I don't go to dinner with them. I don't travel with them. I don't take trips with them. Pick better rooms. It's rife with platitudes, hustle, gospel, and self-promotion. Is that necessarily a bad thing? Depends. If you're on there promoting some things that are important to you, and I don't care if it's religion, politics, cats, commercial real estate, you name it, that seems like an interesting opportunity. I think it's also a good way to go in there and add value to people. I'll give you some ideas and suggestions for our world that's working quite well. I get on there as someone looking for new deals, and I network strategically with commercial real estate brokers. I have them asking me about what it is that I invest in, the types of deals that I look for, what my buying criteria are, what my track record is, how I put deals together, and we're having conversations that we would otherwise have on the phone one-on-one. This is great. I just might also have 7 other commercial real estate brokers listening in and learning that, so I don't have to repeat myself 7 other times. Seems like pretty good leverage on my time if you ask me. Or if you're a commercial real estate broker and you're getting in a room with 100 other commercial real estate investors, that's probably a pretty good group of people to meet. I don't know, it might be time well spent if you could put a multi-million-dollar transaction together and those brokers could make 6 figures in commission. I don't know, waste of time, depends on how you use the platform. This is a big thing. So he's talking about, I'm not a business guy, I'm a writer. So maybe you're going into the wrong rooms where big boys and girls are talking about business things. If you want to spend some time talking about writing, you'd probably have a lot more fun on Clubhouse. Now this is funny. I got some other rooms I should be checking out. We've got people going in and moaning for one another. Didn't know that. Again, this is what you make it. Sports, religion, politics, you can talk about it. I see a lot of people in there using Clubhouse like a education platform, a dojo, an opportunity to network with people who are a little further along than they are, to ask questions of someone who's been there before, to sit down to coffee and have the opportunity to pick someone's brain who's already become a Nobel Prize winning writer. That seems like a good use of someone's time. Don't just sit there and listen and be at the mercy of someone else. Raise your hand, get involved, engage in the conversation, or for that matter, start your own room and be in complete control of the situation and the ambiance and the atmosphere and the energy, and invite people onto your stage that are going to make it an especially fun and exciting conversation. Clubhouse is a disorder. Okay, is the internet, is the phone a disorder? It's a medium, guys. It's a platform. Clubhouse is for young professionals to be automatically notified when you're going in the double dare nasty room. Maybe I have not been maximizing the opportunity of the platform. Given the nature of my business, I'm in there connecting with like-minded people, other active real estate investors, brokers who can bring us deal flow. I connected with loan officers earlier. Look at this email that just came in. Sean, hi, it's Gabe. I was just on Clubhouse with you earlier. I saw you're a buyer of strip centers. We have an off-market strip center on Sunset Boulevard. I'd take a shot and see if it was a good fit for you. While I was busy having a conversation with a bunch of people I really like, here's someone who was listening in and is now presenting me an unsolicited opportunity. Could that be $1 million deal? The fact of the matter is, I'm getting on there and meeting a ton of people that I wouldn't have otherwise met. They're continuing the conversations off of the platform. So they're following you up on email, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, phone calls, face-to-face connections. It is what you make of it. It's just a platform. Do awesome rooms with awesome people and you'll have an awesome time, bro. Take care.